to make some home improvements, a homeowner spent $20,000. So the principal amount is $20,000. He paid 15% as a down payment. Finance the balance of purchase, 36-month fixed installment loan. So 36 months is actually equal to the N times T. So you could just use 36 as N times T, or you could say N is 12 times per month. 36 months is 3 years. APR, so the rate is 4.5%. Okay, finance charge and monthly payment. Okay, like I said, the lecture video and maybe even my math lab might figure out the finance charge with the chart, but I'm going to show you how you calculate it on your own without the chart. And if you're like 5 cents off on my math lab homework or anything, like I said, use the help me features, the resources. You have the option to email my instructor. So hit that button. Then it sends me a link to that question. You can say, hi, professor, would you consider giving me credit back for this? And I will. I'll go in and I'll give you credit back. Okay, so monthly payment. First, this is a good question. There's many steps in this one. Down payment, 15%. I challenge you to figure that out on your own. So what is 15% of that? Well, I know 10% of, when I say on your own without a calculator, try not to touch a calculator. 10% of 20,000 is 2,000, right? So 5% of 20,000 is half of 10%. So it's going to be 1,000. So 15% without a calculator, you should be able to come up with easily as $3,000. So the person borrowing this money says, the bank says, all right, in order for me to give you a check for $20,000, you need to give me $3,000, and then I'm going to give you a monthly payment. All right, so that person pays $3,000. So how much are they financing?
17,000.
So that's the amount financed. So that's what we're going to use in our formula. So our monthly payment equals 17,000 sometimes when I like a mistake I see is people will put like the down payment percentage in for the APR. So just be aware not to do that. This is the rate on the loan. That's the percentage that you put down.
I'm just getting this when it pops up.
Okay, so syntax error, choose go to, it's going to highlight what it doesn't understand. A lot of times you put in a negative sign, it's supposed to be a subtraction sign, or vice versa. If there's a subtraction sign, you put in a negative sign. Now choose go to, and let me see the screen immediately after. Okay, so it doesn't understand. Oh, you put an extra parenthesis in. Parentheses come in pairs. One parenthesis has to be matched up with another parenthesis. You can't have like one dangling parenthesis. The calculator's going to be like, what? And when it's confused, that's what it says, syntax error. Should be getting $505.70. Good, and this is normal for this class, by the way. As I said, take out your calculator and let's figure out the little errors.